In the labyrinth of human reproduction, life's odyssey commences long before the moment of fertilization. Observe the chromosomes, those carriers of our genetic legacy, as they perform their meticulous ballet during meiosis. Within the seminiferous tubules of the testes, spermatogenesis unfolds, a relentless cascade producing millions of haploid gametes. Simultaneously, in the ovarian follicle, a solitary primary oocyte awakens from its prenatal slumber, poised for its epic journey. Witness the symphony of hormones, FSH, LH, estradiol, their molecular fingers conducting each precise step of gametogenesis. As we magnify our view to the cellular level, we discern the unique genomic fingerprint of each spermatozoon. Among this vast army, we isolate one, our protagonist in this microscopic saga. Suddenly, a surge of luteinizing hormone crescendos, triggering the cataclysmic event of ovulation. The follicle's wall ruptures, expelling the oocyte into the awaiting fallopian tube. In perfect synchrony, our protagonist sperm, alongside its countless brethren, is propelled into the seminiferous tubules, commencing its Herculean quest. This marks the inception of a journey fraught with insurmountable odds. Of the millions embarking on this odyssey, only one will fulfill its biological destiny. As we shadow our protagonist's spermatozoon, contemplate this. Each of these microscopic cells carries within it the potential to alter the course of human evolution. The sperm cells surge forward, their flagella whipping in frenzied motion. Our protagonist, distinct in its movements, weaves through the crowd with uncanny precision. But peril looms. The female reproductive tract, a labyrinth of obstacles, awaits. Will our protagonist's unique genetic payload survive the treacherous path ahead? As the sperm approach the cervix, we stand at the precipice of an epic journey, where the very fabric of human existence hangs in the balance. Brace yourselves for a voyage into the heart of creation itself, where life and death dance on the edge of a microscope slide. As our protagonist's spermatozoon breaches the vaginal vestibule, it plunges into a landscape as treacherous as the Mariana Trench. This microscopic battlefield will test the limits of cellular endurance. The pH here plummets to a corrosive 3.8, a level that would dissolve human skin. Observe the carnage as countless gametes succumb to this lactic acid onslaught. Yet our intrepid hero perseveres, its plasma membrane uniquely resilient. It propels itself forward with a vigor that defies its microscopic scale, flagellum undulating at 20 Hz. Returning to our valiant spermatozoon, we find it at the formidable gates of the cervix. Here lies a labyrinth of mucus, a hydrogel barrier impenetrable to all but the most capable of swimmers. Watch closely as our protagonist navigates this viscous maze. Its flagellum undulates with a grace that belies the intensity of its struggle, each beat a defiance against entropy. This, dear observers, is nature's most rigorous test of fitness. Only the strongest, most agile sperm will emerge victorious from this Darwinian gauntlet. Our hero weaves through the cervical mucus with uncanny precision, its hyperactivated motility showcasing a kinematic prowess that sets it apart from its flagging peers. Our protagonist, displaying an almost preternatural ability to evade detection, slips past the neutrophils and macrophages. Is it chance or something more? As the uterine peristalsis propels the survivors towards the fallopian tubes, we bear witness to a journey as epic as any in human mythology. For in the next act, we shall witness the alchemical process of capacitation, the final metamorphosis that will prepare our hero for its ultimate destiny. The fallopian tube, with its ciliated epithelium, creates gentle currents guiding our players to their fateful encounter. These microscopic conveyor belts orchestrate a cellular ballet of unparalleled precision. The moment of truth approaches. Our hero, against all odds, nears its ultimate destination. As we enter the labyrinthine fallopian tube, a new chapter in our microscopic odyssey unfolds, the enigmatic process of capacitation. The sperm's membrane, once a fortress of stability, now becomes a roiling sea of molecular change. Cholesterol molecules, those stalwart guardians of membrane integrity, are unceremoniously ejected. But wait, our valiant protagonist appears to falter. Its mitochondria, those powerhouses of cellular energy, begin to flicker and dim like failing stars in a microscopic galaxy. The sperm's flagellar beat, once so strong and purposeful, becomes erratic. Its path wavers, like a marathon runner hitting the dreaded wall. Is this the end of our protagonist's epic journey? As if sensing its peril, the sperm's internal machinery kicks into overdrive. Witness the frenzied activity of protein kinases, phosphorylating targets throughout the cell in a biochemical blitzkrieg. This molecular storm is the sperm's last-ditch effort to complete its transformation and fulfill its destiny. But capacitation is not complete without one final crucial change. Observe the acrosome, that specialized organelle at the sperm's apex, as it prepares for its ultimate role. The acrosomal enzymes, those molecular battering rams, stand ready. They quiver with potential energy, like arrows nocked in a microscopic bow. Meanwhile, the egg hasn't been idle. It too prepares for the impending encounter, releasing a chemical siren song, progesterone and other chemoattractants that guide the sperm. As we conclude this phase of our cellular saga, reflect on the marvel we've witnessed. From millions to hundreds to this single capacitated spermatozoon poised on the brink of fulfilling its biological destiny. The egg awaits, its chemical siren song growing stronger. The stage is set for the final act in this microscopic drama of creation. Our hero speeds towards its fate, carrying within it the potential to forge a unique human life. Half of the genetic blueprint for a future Einstein, Mozart, or simply a loved child is encoded in its nucleus. This microscopic journey, fraught with peril and transformation, is the prelude to human existence itself. We enter the final act of our cellular odyssey. The egg looms before us, a behemoth in this microscopic cosmos. Its zona pellucida gleams like the surface of an alien world, impenetrable and foreboding. Contact! Our protagonist's receptors lock onto the zona pellucida. The zona yields grudgingly to this enzymatic assault. Our hero pushes forward, its flagellum a frantic blur, carving a path where others have failed. Time fractures as the membranes touch. Molecules pirouette in recognition, initiating a cascade of events beyond human comprehension. But wait, the egg is not passive. Cortical granules explode in a dazzling fireworks display, releasing enzymes that transform the zona into an impenetrable fortress. The egg, completing its meiotic division, forms its own pronucleus, two halves of the human genome, poised to unite. This is syngamy, the fusion of genetic material. Chromosomes intertwine in a cellular embrace, forging the genome of a unique human being. From millions to one, from haploid to diploid, we've witnessed the foundation of human existence itself. A miracle unfolding even now, countless times across the world. The curtain falls on our cellular theater, but the drama of life has only just begun. From this single cell, a unique human life will emerge, a testament to the enduring wonder of biology.